In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do or what to do if your Nanoleaf has the blue flashing light error. Now to explain, a flashing blue light on your Nanoleaf means it's booting up. But if it stays blue and unresponsive, you want to try a soft reset. First, you want to hold the power button plus the effect, then select plus for 10 seconds. Now for a hard reset, you want to unplug the device. You want to hold buttons, and then while doing it, you want to plug it back in. Or you can also try to power cycle the PSU. To do this, you want to unplug the power supply or PSU for around 30 seconds, then plug it back in and let it boot. You just might have some problems on the boot up setup. Now, once again, for the soft reset, you want to press and hold the power and effect select plus buttons on the controller for around 10 seconds until the LED flashes, and then you want to release. From there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.